Today, we're tackling a vital aspect of YouTube monetization, navigating the AdSense tax information maze. It's a step that can make or break your earning potential, and I'm here to ensure you get it right. Whether you're a veteran YouTuber or just starting out, this guide is your key to unlocking earnings without a hitch. So, let's jump in and demystify the tax setup process. Once you've logged into your AdSense account, you'll be greeted with the option to add tax info. This crucial step paves the way for you to receive your hard-earned income. If you're required to provide tax details to Google, rest assured, the process is straightforward within your AdSense account. However, it's important to note that not all publishers need to submit this information. Navigating through the tax form, creators are presented with various options, including the selection of the account type. For individual creators, individual serves as the default selection unless operating as a registered business entity. On citizen, select yes if you are in US or no as you are not from US. Then click next. From here, non-US residents are encouraged to select the appropriate option, such as W-8BEN, aligning with their tax status. As you progress through the form, meticulous attention to detail is paramount. Ensuring the accuracy of personal details, including your name and country of residence, is essential for seamless processing. While the provision of tax identification numbers, such as TINs or NINs, is often optional, it's advisable to consult with a tax professional to ascertain the necessity of providing such information, especially in regions like Kenya, where KRA pins may be applicable. Continuing through the form, creators are prompted to provide addresses and select appropriate options pertaining to tax treaties, if applicable. Fill in your addresses and proceed. Depending on your country, select the appropriate options for tax treaties. Kenya currently doesn't have a tax treaty with the United States, so you won't be claiming any treaty benefits. Select yes for activities performed in the US, choose paperless tax reporting, and accept the agreement. Navigating through the myriad of options, it's imperative to select yes for activities performed in the US, and opt for paperless tax reporting to streamline the process. Upon completion, a thorough review of the provided tax information is warranted, ensuring accuracy and completeness before proceeding to confirm and sign. Submitting your tax information marks a pivotal moment in your journey as a content creator, signaling readiness for monetization. Enter year you have filled the tax info. With confidence in the accuracy of your submission, rest assured as your tax information undergoes a verification process, paving the way for seamless payment processing. Armed with a comprehensive understanding of the tax information setup process, your YouTube channel is now primed for monetization. As you continue creating compelling content, growing your audience, and nurturing your community, rest assured that your earnings potential remains unhindered by regulatory complexities. And that's how you seamlessly integrate your tax information with YouTube AdSense. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for success and ensuring that your monetization journey is smooth and uninterrupted. If this guide was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content creation tips. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and I'll see you in the next video.